team, outreach essentially means providing a service or running an event within the FIRST community that promotes the fundamentals of the organization with community members that may not be affiliated with FIRST. As a FIRST Robotics team, we need to show that we believe in the importance of outreach and community relations and how that has a positive impact on a wide audience. Our team has participated in many outreach events across London, which has impacted over 2,000 students, parents, and educators.
Like any FIRST team, having a caliber of unique, impactful outreach events is necessary for success. FIRST Robotics is centered around the idea of community and education. In our business plan, we express that active engagement with the community and spreading the vision of FIRST can motivate the community to uphold these same values. These outreach events then gives us a chance to add to our team's image and have something to discuss with judges at competitions, so we can be considered for more awards. Essentially, it all comes down to marketing and public relations, and running outreach events help maintain the image of our team.
Now, before we talk about future events our team could take on, let's take a trip down memory lane together and review some of the outreach events our team has taken on in the past. For an extensive look at all of our previous events, take a look at our business plan on our team's Google Drive folder. Some of these are staples in FIRST teams, but a lot of them are unique to our team, League of Logic. So let's take a look at a few of them.
Each year, our team hosts the Hour of Code event in the Banting Library Learning Commons as a part of TVDSB Education Week. About 80 students and teachers attend each time, and by the end of the hour, attendees have completed code for a simple video game that they can play with their friends. In the past, we've taught code for games like Flappy Bird, Plants vs. Zombies, and much more. Essentially, how this event works is that we have members of our programming team teach a workshop where they go through a step-by-step tutorial presentation, and by the end of the hour, they've created a game from scratch using programming principles like loops, if statements, arrays, and more. This event usually attracts a lot of interest from students in our school for multiple reasons. First, it's an opportunity for students who know nothing about programming or video game design to see if this is something that interests them. Secondly, Mr. McKay promotes this as a percentage boost in certain test marks for students in his classes who have also attended the event. The point of this event is to show potential sponsors and judges that our team cares about our school community and is passionate about programming. It proves that we have a strong connection with the members of our community and with our team, which ultimately shows that our team is loyal and passionate, both which are positive attributes to have. Our team's Hour of Code is a staple on our team, and even during the pandemic, we hosted it virtually through Google Classroom. It's important and a unique event that our team takes on.
This conference is an annual event that our team holds for FIRST teams in our community. It consists of more than 20 seminars and workshops led by both League of Logic and mentors from other teams. We usually have over 100 people from more than 10 teams out for the day to assist each other in what it means to have a great FRC season. Each seminar is full of brief information about topics relating to FIRST, and these short seminars received a lot of positive feedback from members new to FIRST. Additionally, the in-depth hour-long presentations for senior members generated useful advice to put towards future years. This event is also unique to our team, and it is one of our main pre-season events outside Hour of Code. Through the conference, we are able to introduce FIRST to rookies and update veterans about the details of the upcoming competition. It allowed us to connect with other teams within the southwestern area, exchange information about their upcoming events, and talk about the plans they had with the upcoming build season. We followed up the conference with a feedback form where the attendees completed so that we can improve in the conference in the future with the information. This event not only shows first judges that we are committed to the first community in our city, but also it helps us to maintain a relationship with other teams.
Each year, our team also helps Girl Guides earn their engineering badges by presenting them info about electronics, Lego Mindstorm robots, and mechanical systems. These rotational presentations were interactive, which allowed the Girl Guides to have a hands-on experience with robotics, as well as an introduction to STEM. This event is important for our team because it shows that we help uplift women in STEM. It's important to welcome women and welcome girls into STEM as it's a mostly male-dominated field, and females should be reminded that they have opportunities in STEM and should be encouraged to pursue said opportunities. This is another aspect of our team that first judges will find appealing.
For the past few years, we've been invited to run a booth at a Radar Robotics annual science expo. At our booth, we demonstrated multiple line following, printing, and maze-solving NXT Lego robots to over 600 students from grades 1 to 8. We displayed our robot from the previous FRC year. We have informed the students in FLL and Junior FLL on how they could join a team. Participating in this event is important for our team because many of these students may be attending our school in the future. So we ensured they were aware of the first opportunities they could be a part of. Once again, it helps us maintain a relationship with other community teams. Each year, the girls on our team are invited to an after-school event aimed to build confidence, strengthen relationships, and encourage each other. We watch inspiring videos related to STEM, talk about experience in FIRST, and play games. This has shown to be effective because the girl members on our team are closer to each other than ever before. This has allowed us to encourage, inspire, and motivate the girls within our team and create a more inclusive environment. Though this isn't a community event, it is still really important because it shows first judges that our team recognizes the importance of representation for women in STEM, which is predominantly male field.
Wildcard. It's our school's biggest and most popular event. The aim of Wildcard is to invite all 8th graders from our elementary feeder schools to Banting and show them why Banting is their best high school option. Our team is invited to host a presentation about our team. We give presentations about the importance of FIRST in our lives. We also set up a mock pit and give students the opportunity to drive our robots through an obstacle course. This event is always a huge success, and we have many students that join the team when they come into high school because of Wildcard. I was one of them. And in fact, many of our senior members of our team are first introduced to our team through Wildcard. For this reason, participating in Wildcard is crucial, as it's the first time a lot of young students are introduced to our team.
Now that we've gone through a few of our most well-known events, let's talk about how you can create events like these. When thinking of events our team could take on, it is important to keep the 3 I's in your mind: inclusivity, initiative, and innovation. In terms of inclusivity, creating events that promote diversity in STEM is important. This promotion of diversity could be done by building awareness, encouraging students to investigate possible career paths, or even just providing students with information on a career in STEM.
Though this isn't something that can be incorporated into every event, having set events that promote this are crucial. For example, from our events like our Girl Guides workshop and our Girls Get Together, we were able to promote women in STEM. This is important because STEM is a male-dominated field, and FIRST, like many organizations like it, are looking to make the field more gender inclusive. Therefore, by promoting inclusivity for women in STEM, it shows that our team is in support of this cause.
In terms of innovation, it is important to think of events that are unique. The events that represent our team and our values. Our team values include productive and proficient team culture, structure, accessibility to opportunity, and quality for our work. Therefore, having events that represent these values is key. For example, with Hour of Code event, we were able to create an event that was unique to our team and our school. But also, we promoted one of our team values, which is having equal accessibility to opportunities, such as the opportunity to learn how to code.
Finally, when it comes to initiatives, this essentially means making sure that we are consistently taking the initiative to contact community organizations and teams to make sure that we are continuously getting our team involved in anything that we can. By participating in events that we didn't necessarily plan, like the Beal Science Expo or Wildcards, it shows that we're not only committed to the community, but we're also taking the initiative to spread the word of FIRST and the word of STEM to everyone in the City of London.
Creating an event from scratch is not an easy task. When thinking of ideas of a possible event that our team could take on, make sure to start off by talking to seniors or mentors on the team to get their input. Then try to look up different unique events that other first teams put on that you think our team could take inspiration from. After that, it's up to you and the rest of the team to start brainstorming ideas for the event. Venues, target demographics, people invited, potential dates, roles, and a name for event, and more on. Finally, this event plan should be approved by a mentor.
Once you have determined for the name of the event and the overall plan, it's time to book a venue and consult with mentors on the team about a budget. Once you have all the logistics down, it's time to finally run the event. After the event is over, make sure that you get a general consensus/debrief from the team on how everyone feels the event went. If you take all that into consideration, you should be set up for an awesome outreach event that reflects the values of our team and the values of FIRST.